Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. This time it's a bike check. So let's get started here. From the top I got We the People bars, Animal Edwin grips, Odyssey parens, Purple Green band sludge stem, Kink headset cap, Odyssey bearings, Eastern forks. They're off of a 2011 Eastern Phantom. Down to my tires, I got a Odyssey Chase Hawk 100 PSI in the front, 2.20. My front rim is a DK Orbit laced to a DK Alpha hub. Cranks Mission Transits. Pedals Odyssey Twisted PC. Shadow lighter sprocket KMC chain. Frame I got a Sunday New Wave 2007. The seat post is a Sputnik. The seat clamp, I'm not even sure what that is. I just found it in my garage and I just kind of like put it on there. So yeah, whatever floats my boat, I guess. Kink Tony Hamlin seat in black. Back tire is a Odyssey Atkin tire. 100 PSI, 2.25, and then again a DK Orbit hub, DK Orbit rim laced to a DK Alpha hub. So that's pretty much my bike, and yeah, that's pretty much my bike. I'm over here fixing chains. Yeah, same, but my friend told me that I should make more YouTube videos, so that's what we're doing. So
Carson went to faggot.
and yeah, so that's what we're doing. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe.